Good Friday morning, Education 1030 students. Just wanting to kind of maybe give you more of a visual of the assignments that require this time. There's a lot in this, and so I want to make sure you get everything done. So if we look, I've gone to eLearn, of course. I've gone to the Table of Contents, Chapter 2, Becoming Self-Aware, and then this is the Education 1030 Chapter 2 assignment. That's where I'm at right now. So the instructions are very laid out very clearly here of what is expected of you and what you need to be doing. So you're going to go to the My Student Success Lab Student Success Learning Path, which is the Pearson. You're going to complete the Learning Preference Pretest. All right, then you're going to come back out of there, and there's a picture to show you how to do that. Then you're going to come on down to finish out the other parts of the assignment for next week. You're going to read Chapter 2. You're going to fill in those template notes that are there in Chapter 2 for you. You're going to complete the Brain Dominance activity, and that's found on pages 26 through 28. You're going to complete the Learning Styles Inventory, which is on page 31 through 34. You're going to thoroughly answer the Thinking Back, Thinking Ahead questions. Those are on page 40 and 42. You're going to submit those responses to the D2L Chapter 2 Thinking Back, Thinking Ahead Dropbox. Remember, they're worth 10 points. All right, you're also going to complete the Cultural Diversity activity that's on page 52. You're going to write a self-analysis essay based on your Chapter 2 activity results. The dominance test and the learning styles and the diversity stuff is going to come into this essay. And there's a little snippet here that says, strictly follow the essay instructions and example provided in the text. So if you open your textbook and go to page 53 and 54, you're going to find the full instructions for this essay and an example of what it should look like. You're going to submit that essay to the Chapter 2 Self-Analysis Dropbox. All right, after you do all of that, then you're going to go back into Pearson, and you're going to complete the Learning Preference Post-Test. There it is again in a hot link. So make sure you're following those that to-do list and checking those off your list. Make sure you get all of that done. All right, have a great week. You know how to get a hold of me if you need me.